Hello and welcome. A few days back, I've received this electronic knot tying tool which allows you to tie two lines together pretty easy and fast. I was already able to test it out. It comes with an instruction, but well, who likes to read those instructions? I've actually read it and it wasn't pretty clear, so I had to figure out myself how to use it. So as you can see, basically it comes with a clip like this one. It has this top part with two sections, the left one and the right one, which are divided with this plastic plate. The bottom part, the trigger, which allows you to power on and off the tool. And basically the tool itself is powered off with two AAA batteries. Okay, let's tie two lines together with this tool. The first thing which you need to do, you need to put this clip onto the spool, like so that when you are gonna be tying two lines together, this line wouldn't come off. So as soon as you've done it, your main line goes into the top left section, and it doesn't really matter whether it is a mono or any other line. And the bottom part goes into the bottom section, like so. One other thing just that I would like to mention, that when you're going to be tying those two lines together, there should be a tension on the line. And especially for that, this clip was designed. So when you're going to be doing that, make sure that the spool is in the air and it just gives the tension to this line so that you wouldn't have to hold it by hand over here, and it's going to be much easier to tie those two lines. So the braid, it goes into the right section, like so, and that's basically it. So as you can see, there is an arrow over here just in the middle. So when you are going to be tying two lines together, just make it until the middle and then it goes back up. Okay, let's power on the tool. Okay, so we've done it up until the middle, and now we'll go back up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put the braid into the left section where I've put my mono, like so. I'm gonna pull the mono down a little bit, and I'm gonna remove the braid from the right section. So now I need to lock the knot, and I'm gonna do it with a 1/2 inch, like so. I'm gonna use these pliers instead of teeth so that all would be on camera. And here it is. Our knot is locked. Now we can take off the lines from the tool, and what you need to do now, you need to pull two lines in order to not only lock the knot, but to make it much stronger. So I'll do it by hand. Okay. The next step is to finish off the FG knot. So I'll do a couple of 1/2 inches. Just wanted to mention one more thing, just if you'll stay until the end of this video. In my next video, I'm gonna show you another electronic device which works perfectly well when tying hooks. Okay, so I've done 3/2 inches, and to finish off the knot, I'll do a uni knot. So one, two, and I'll make it 3. Okay, just pull 2 lines. Okay, so now you can cut off the braid. And the mono. Take a lighter and just burn the end of the mono, like so. And that's basically it. Pretty easy and fast, and yeah, I would say that it is a great gadget. And just want to mention one more thing. If you won't be using this gadget, take off the batteries. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.